Hi everybody, this is Brian back with a Ethereum update here. Okay, this is ETH on the daily chart. You can see that this thing is looks like it could be coming down to that 50 EMA right there. All right, that thing's curving up and that thing could meet right there. We have absolutely beautiful support around the 1780 region. Now there's a lot of guys out there right now in Bitcoin shorts, and they are specifically targeting that 26.6 zone. Okay, if we put the Bitcoin chart on here, okay, which I have a line there, that is the 50 EMA coming up there to meet Bitcoin. All right, now there is a lot of guys, like I said, in shorts waiting for this thing to come down to that 26.6 area. If we put this on the weekly chart, you can see that Bitcoin for the last month has bounced between, support and resistance in this area. So are they going to trap traders here? Are they going to reverse the price and send it up from here and trap all these shorts? That could absolutely happen. Okay, now as far as RSIs go, if you look at the daily on Bitcoin, that RSI is down at the bottom on this thing. Okay, it's only been that low. It hasn't been that low since April 8th, and that goes back almost a whole month till March 10th. The last time the daily RSI got down here. So, and this thing is bullish. The RSI is bullish on it, so it could take off at any time. All right. Now, as far as Ethereum goes, if we go back to ETH here, look where that RSI is at for Ethereum right now. Okay, it is absolutely at the bottom. Okay, and we haven't had it down there since same thing back at the beginning of March when Ethereum did this run up right there and gained. How much did we gain in that move? That was to the top. That was about a 30% move right there. It was actually a little bit more than that, 34% move right there, okay? So it's been a while since these RSIs have been this low. And right now, Ethereum addresses soar to record high despite Ethereum price plunge. All right, as the crypto market continues to experience uncertainty, Ethereum's price has taken a hit, currently sitting at around $18.50 after reaching $2,000 per Ethereum earlier this week. However, amid this dip, Ethereum has broke yet another record in terms of its network activity. Says someone sent out a tweet, says ETH number of non-zero addresses just reached an all-time high of 97,864,542. 97 million people out there are holding some sort of Ethereum. Okay, you can see the Glassnode chart there. I love Glassnode. Great place to look at statistics for crypto. It says here, according to Glassnode data, the number of non-zero Ethereum addresses has reached an all-time high in 97.8 million, indicating growing interest in the network and its capabilities from minor investors. This is a significant milestone for Ethereum, which has seen a steady increase in non-zero addresses over the past few months. So that's pretty huge right there, okay? Now, Ethereum, the same thing. I believe at any second this thing could take a run with that, especially with these RSIs. I'm going to get back there and show you the DXY here in a second. If you haven't, please hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate that so very much, guys. And there's a couple links in the description of the video. One for 20% off KuCoin trading fees, and one for a for Ledger Nano. I don't know if you guys know what a Ledger is. It's a you can plug it into your side of your laptop, put your crypto on it, and unplug it. It's a hardware wallet. That way your crypto isn't online. I've had one for years now. They're nice to have. You can put NFTs on them, anything. So if you're interested in that, go ahead and check it out. But this is the crypto bubbles for the hour. Here's your daily. Okay, you can see a lot of these RSIs are resetting and reset. Okay, that I believe any second this market could make a run. I mean, everything is getting down to that point. The market cap is down roughly 0.5% for the day. Volume is down 5.66%. We're going to see a spike in that. Bitcoin dominance has risen 0.39%. Right about 44. It's been right around 44 for the last week. The crypto fear and greed indicator has went up 3 clicks to a 56 now. Here's the top 100 on CoinMarketCap. You can see the gainers on the left hand side. Not a whole lot there. One is a stable coin. In the top 100 coins here. On the right hand side is the rest of them. You go down through here. Not huge losses, but like I said, a lot of the smaller time RSIs are resetting. The 4s, the 1, the 2s, you know, your smaller RSIs. But let's get back to Ethereum here, okay? This is on that daily chart, and you can see we're still holding that support line. Let me get this thing right. I had it on the weekly there, so I had the support line on the weekly. There we go. You can see it's still holding that, okay? This support that started roughly back in December of 2022, okay? It's risen up. It's come back. Fell through it right there, but regained it here. Tested it here. Now it's come back and it's retesting it again. Could Ethereum come down a little bit more? It could, yeah. It had, like I said, right around that. If Bitcoin does go down and take that 26.6 where a lot of people think it's going to go, normally it don't work out like that. When people start talking like that, especially once it hits the news, the market makers out there are no dummies. You know, they'll trap them. You know, might get down to 27,000 and they'll reverse price or something. You know, so don't expect it to go there, but it could. Okay, and Ethereum could come down, you know, to 1780, you know, 1780s. You know, it's got very good support right there. And that's weekly support. If we go back here on the weekly chart, we get this arrow here. You can see right here it was massive support all through here. Okay, you can see all these support zones for it. And they'll make it a little bit bigger and zoom in a little bit better so you can see there. Yeah, you can see right here it was very good support. Here it was over through here, all through here. It's been really good support, and we're still, you know, what, a couple $100 above it. So, well, $100 roughly, $100 above it. So it could come down there if Bitcoin decides to go down to that, like I said, that 26.6 area. But we are still holding that support. As far as the 50 and the 200, we are still above that. Looks like if that does come down there, we're going to use that 50 as support. It'll meet up almost exactly right with that. So this thing's looking fine. You know, if we put a Fibonacci on this thing, we're going to get a move. I mean, these things don't go down forever. They absolutely don't. Okay, if we just to get back, let's say it does come down here to that 17.8. Okay, just to get back to the 618, there's an 11% move. The 702 is 13%. And that 786 is a 15% gain. Okay, we're going to get some sort of retrace in here. We always do. These RSIs, like I said, let me go through them here and show you them on the 12 and the 8. Okay, the daily. Sorry about that. Got to get my arrow here so in case people don't know where to look. Down at the bottom here, we're going to go. Here's the 12. Down at the it's flat. It's bullish. The 8 is at the bottom. Okay, it's bullish. All right, so this thing's setting up. The 4, I don't know where it's at. It's at the top. Your smaller time frames go up and down all day long. The 1's at the bottom, and the 2 is just turned up. So, and your daily, that's the big one. Okay, but that's the one you want to see at the bottom. That's especially when they get this low. All right, if we go back through here, you know, every time this daily gets to the bottom, we get a nice. That's the run we had there. That's the run we had there when it got this low. You know, if we go through these real quick, you know, this one here was a 15. No, I apologize. Let me redo that. Hit that button too quick. Right off that 50 to the top was a 17% move. This one here from the bottom to the top was a 35% move. That one down there, last time we were this low on the daily RSI, was down here. That was a 40% move. And then there's this one over here, okay, to go back to November, okay. This one here was a 25% move. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For the 6th time since November, we're this low on the RSI. So it don't happen real often. Last time was a month ago, so I'm looking for a run on this. The dollar index, I believe we have one more wave down to go. This is on the daily chart. We have fallen below the 50 and the 200 for the DXY. That's the dollar index. We rode this support line. Let me show you here. This blue support line, this was support from the whole way back in May of 2021. It rode it, followed that 50 EMA the whole way up, okay? Fell down through, lost this blue support, came back tested it as resistance, and it's rolling over. If we inverse this chart, that means flip it upside down. It's a textbook breakout, okay? You break up through resistance, the blue line. Let me get that 50 and that 200 off there so we can see. There we go. We would break up through the resistance, a back test on as support, and take off, okay? That would be a 5-wave Elliott wave, and I believe we're going to come down. This thing's going to break 100.7 and come down in the 90s somewhere, okay? It's a textbook 5-wave Elliott wave, all right, except it's down, it's not up. That's the way it should look right there. So if that dollar comes down, that means rising crypto prices, but it also means, you know, everything else is going to go up in price. So but every bull run we've had, or alt season that we've had in the crypto market, has started with a falling dollar. So, all right, guys, everything out there is looking pretty good. So please hit the subscribe button. I would appreciate that so very much. Please like the video, and God bless all of you. Thank you for taking any of your time out of your day to watch my videos. I appreciate it so much.